Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to design a clean, high-converting landing page in Webflow, step by step. So even if you're new, you'll be able to build something that actually looks professional. First, open your Webflow project and create a new page. You can name it something like landing page, just to keep things organized. Now, start with a hero section. This is the top part of your page. Add a strong headline, a short description, and a call to action button. This is what grabs attention, so keep it clear and simple. Next, structure your layout using containers and columns. This helps keep everything aligned and responsive across devices, which is super important. Now, build out your landing page by adding key sections like features, testimonials, and maybe a pricing or benefits section. Each part should guide the user toward your main goal. All right, now let's make it look good. Customize your fonts, colors, and buttons using the Style panel. Try to keep your design consistent. Don't overdo it. Switch to tablet and mobile views and adjust spacing or text sizes if needed. A good landing page should look great on every screen, not just desktop. Before you finish, add a final call to action at the bottom. This gives visitors one last chance to click sign up, buy, or whatever your goal is. And that's it. You've just designed a landing page in Webflow. Pretty simple, right? If you want more design tips or tutorials, feel free to check out the channel. Hey everyone!